Hello and welcome. This is a video. I wanted to share my project on this channel. So this is Mercedes 190E with the M111 supercharged engine swap with the 6-speed manual from an SLK 230. Let's take a look at the engine. So the engine, for the swap I used engine mounts from modified Mercs from the UK, as well as the transmission mount and Driveshaft. I'm running standalone engine management and a separate wiring harness for the engine. And the fan is controlled by PWM. This is a W211 fan. This upgraded brake master cylinder from W216 and double. This is from R129. The vacuum booster. So it's running drive-by-wire and throttle cable from SLK. It's running big brakes from the R129 as well. It's shared with the W124 500E. It's running 205 50 16 wheels. These are from W208. They're very light. These are the forged wheels. It's sitting on cut springs and Koni adjustables. On the inside, it's running custom gauges and GPS speedo, because the 6-speed doesn't have cable driven speedo. This is a mechanical bypass valve using vacuum. It's running a power steering pump from W124 and AC compressor from a C36 W202, and that's a separate clutch reservoir. Thank you for watching.